Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses program. In this video, we are going to learn OpenAI giving the 100% free OpenAI Student Collective 2026, and there you can learn about the ChatGPT, Codex, and there is a case stipend also. So apply for now. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here, OpenAI has officially launched the OpenAI Student Collective 2026, a global opportunity designed for the university student who wants to become an AI leader on their campus. If you are passionate about the artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, OpenAI technologies, leadership, innovation, and building the student communities, this program could be one of the biggest student opportunities of 2026. Through the OpenAI Student Collective, selected students can become the campus leads, organize AI events, collaborate with the fellow student, receive exclusive OpenAI support, gain access to premium AI resources, network opportunities, funding for the campus activities, mentorship, and much more. This initiative focuses on the building a global network of future AI innovators and student leaders across the universities. So this program aims to students who are interested in the creating AI communities, hosting workshops, and supporting fellow leadership and representing OpenAI on their campus. Participating may receive benefits such as the ChatGPT subscription support, Codex credit, event funding, OpenAI and leadership training, direct interaction with the OpenAI team, additional exclusive opportunities. Selected campus leads also help promote of responsible AI adoption and innovation within their institute. If you are studying at the eligible university and meet the program requirement, this could significantly strengthen your leadership profile, resume networking opportunities, and career growth in AI, that is artificial intelligence. So official program link is this one, and apply you can apply with this link also. Both are same. So don't miss the limited time OpenAI opportunity for the students. So when we'll open this link, you will find this page. There is a several cookies. So OpenAI Student Collective apply to become an OpenAI campus lead. Help students gain confidence using the ChatGPT and Codex while they're building the project together. So students will among with find new way to AI can support learning, creativity, and problem solving. So all the details you can find there. Main thing is this one. So application will be open through the August 10, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. PT, and learn more and apply below. How the program works. So there is a workshop and studio hours, showcase, and community. What you will receive: a ChatGPT subscription and Codex credit for the duration of the program, funding and credit and match to help you organize campus event, training resources and guidance on the latest OpenAI tools and technology, access to the OpenAI team and global network of campus leads, a cash stipend each semester in the recognition of your time and leadership. So opportunity to for a HQ headquarter visit in the June 2027, other surprise along the way. So from the student community, you can go with this. These are the bringing. I joined the program to build a AI and left more interest with the means build with the people along with the AI. So all the things you have to go. So how to apply application now open through August 2026 at 11:59 PT. Students from every discipline are encouraged to apply, where we are looking for the postgraduate student who are curious and community minded and excited to introduce other AI. So qualification is required. So you love ChatGPT, Codex, and OpenAI tools. You are 18 years or older. You are enrolled in the undergraduate college or university program as the August 2026 expect to graduate after December 2027. You are committed to 4 to 6 hours per week to participate from the August 2026 to June 2027. You are studying in the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, India, Japan, South Korea. Have work authorization in the country of study. So you are not currently an ambassador or intern for any other AI program or companies. So you can apply now. So when you will go to the apply button, so this is the apply part. So here you have to provide your first name, as on your ID, last name, email address, how old you are. So that you have to select more than 25 plus and university or college in India. And what is the phone or WhatsApp number includes the country and area code. You have to provide this. University college do you have attended? What is the current education status? What are you expecting to finish the university or college? Your date, completion date, and best describe your area of study. Please specify your major course and field and program. Are you able to commit 4 to 6 hours per week, August 2026 through the June 2027? So you go through this, and another company or program. No. Which OpenAI tool do you use? ChatGPT, Codex, OpenAI API, and others. And finally, you have to give some other most important program facing young people. Something you change your mind about the frequently LinkedIn profile, public social profile, and other details. So finally, submit. So this is the step-by-step process. We can open AI Student Collective, and you have to go the all the step-by-step process. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. If you have any questions, then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.